Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today in this video, I'm going to clear all your myths regarding glitters and pigments. But before going ahead, I would like you to subscribe my channel. So the first difference is that pigment are very fine particles like dust or powder. On the other hand, glitters are rough particles like granules. The glitter granules comes in small and big size. We usually use the thick glitters or say the big granules in nail art or on face or in paper art. However, on the other hand, we use the fine thin granules on eyes while using in eye makeup. The second difference is that pigments can create either a matte or a shiny look. Pigments usually are an alternative to eyeshadows and they are highly pigmented, whereas glitters always create a shiny, blingy and shimmery and sparky look. Therefore, we need a glitter glue to apply glitters on eyes because they are fine rough granules. But we do not need any type of glue for the application of pigments. Lastly, both pigments and glitters come in various colors or shades and they come in either pressed form just like the eyeshadow kit or in the loose form, that is in a small container. Both of them are used to intensify the eye makeup. So, what's your take on this? Create your own eye makeup look using both and share your look on my Instagram page. I will definitely repost the same on my story. Do like, share and subscribe and stay tuned for my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.